At around 12 noon on Tuesday, under the direction of District Magistrate of Sipaijala in a joint initiative of Childline and Labour Inspector, raided various garages in Bishalgarh Bazar area. According to the details of the incident, the District Magistrate of Sipaijala district had specific information that small minors are working in different garages of Bishalgarh Bazar, following which today the Childline workers and the Labour Inspector raided the garages and warned the garage owners for the first time. The staff of Childline warned them not to keep any kind of small children in the garages for work in the coming days. Notably, in India, the Constitution provides for protection of all children under various fundamental rights, including the provision for the right of children to free and compulsory education, the prohibition of trafficking human being beggar and other similar forms of forced labor, and the prohibition of employment of children in hazardous employment. The substantive laws include the Indian Penal Code 1860, the Bonded Labour System Abolition Act 1976, Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986, Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act 2000. Not only in India but in several parts of the state Tripura, children from poor families are working in different sectors in order to earn a living for themselves or to support their poor parents. Because of being ridden with extreme financial crisis, the poor, mostly uneducated parents push their children to work in different sectors. Talking in this regard, Childline officials said as this is the first time they caught such children working under various garages, they have warned the garage owners, but the next time if this continues, strict legal action would be taken against the owners.
চাইল্ডলাইন অ্যান্ড লেবার ইন্সপেক্টর সহ আমরা ডিএম থেকে একটা লিস্ট এসেছিল যে বিশালগড় এরিয়াতে চাইল্ড লেবার আছে। তারপর আমরা যৌথভাবে আজকে চাইল্ড লেবার ধরার জন্য বিশালগড় বিভিন্ন এরিয়াতে যাই। এখন আমরা হসপিটাল রোড পেয়েছি, আবার আমরা সামনে আরও একটা আছে মধ্যবাজার, ওইটাও দেখবো, যদি পাই তো ধরবো। তো এই বিষয়টা হয়েছে যে যাতে কোনো চাইল্ড লেবার মানে কোনো দোকানে কাজ না করে।
Later, the authorities and the child labor workers handed over the young child to their respective families. Bureau Report, Halabod.